Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to favicon in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to go to online store. So you can see the online store option is available on left side. So just click here online store, and now it will be directed to theme page. So now wait for a few seconds, our theme page is being uploaded. So now here click on customize. So after this, when you open the customize settings, now what you need to do, just you have to find the theme setting here. So on the left side you can see the theme settings available here. So just scroll down and find the favicon here. In my case you can see the favicon is here, so just click on select image. So I don't have still any image in library, so I just upload an image here. Just click on upload image, and now open your storage and select any image that you want to upload. Just I have clicked this. So now wait for a few seconds, image is being uploaded. So here you can see we have successfully add a favicon in Shopify. So after this, click on select, and now on the save button. So in this way you can easily add favicon